Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
So we are here for the group discussion. So and your topic for the today's group discussion is impact of social media on the life of youth. So your time starts now.
Good morning everybody.
Good morning.
Today we are here for the group discussion and our topic is impact of social media on the life of youth. We all know for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. But today there is a overreaction of social media. Don't you agree with me?
Yes.
Yes. Social media is having a great impact on our life. We are just clicking on our smartphone and we are getting a large number of information. It is very helpful for us for getting information.
Yes, you are right, Sumaya. Whenever and whatever we want, we can get an information about that within a single click, within a minute. But we should take a chance that we can gain more and more information about it.
Yeah, I'm totally agree with you, Ashwini. You are right. Social media is very useful in our day-to-day life. Nowadays, social media is very useful. It is depend on us to give advantageously or negatively or positively. Social media is useful in every field like education, business, as well as on house. And what about you, Kanchan?
Yes, I am agree with you. Social media has so many advantages, and it has educational advantages too. And if we take the social media positively, then the impact of that social media is also positively, and so we should take it positively.
The learning app, the Byju's learning app is nowadays launched, and we can learn or we can explain any of the concept very properly in the Byju's learning app, so it has a positive impact on our life.
Yeah, you are right. And social media is have some advantages or some disadvantages. Now, social media is having disadvantages like if we are totally depend on social media, then we are losing our educational. Sorry, we are losing our physical or mental health. And social media is having some advantages like we are using social media, we are immediately having some information about any about topics, and social media is having lots of uses and disadvantages.
Yes, I agree with you. But India is the country of the youth. But many of the today's youth are spend a lot of time on social media, and because of its, we are going away from our environment. So I think social media is as well as good, but as well as bad also.
You are absolutely right, Radhika. Because the side effects of social media are that because of the use of social media, there are physical and mental disorders for the human beings, and also yeah, the survey has declared that most of the people using social media they have to face anxiety as well as sleeping sickness and mental disorders also.
As you are telling that it is having some advantage and disadvantage, let me add one point to it. Through the social media, that the app YouTube, we can make our own channels, we can post videos on it, and we can earn money from it. It is very good advantage of YouTube nowadays. Other apps like Emo or video calling app, we can talk to our relatives which are far away from us. In the past years, we used to talk them on only on voice call, but now we can video call them and face to face talk to them.
Yes, the use of social media is totally depend on us. It depend on our mentality, how to use it, and it depend on our point of view, how it take either positive or negative. If we take it positive, they impact us good impact on us, and if we take it negative, they impact bad on us. It is totally agree, but the most of people or most of the youth or college students, we are more totally spend the time on the social media. It is not very good. We use the how totally time of the spend in the social media.
Yes, what you are telling is right, but when we take it in a right way, we can gather so many information through it. Just we can click on it, and what we don't know, what we are not understanding, we can clear the concept by the internet.
Yes, you are right, Sumaya. Every time we cannot ask our teachers or we cannot discuss with our friends. At that time, internet or social media is the best friend who helps us at that particular moment. Because whenever we need help, we can gain information, we can clear our doubts at that same point. We don't have to spend much more time to wait and clear that concept. Because of this, we can conserve our lot of time as well as money.
Earlier, it was very difficult to find a route for our destination, but nowadays it has become easy because of the Google Maps and all those things. We use phones and phones, our tabs, and each and everything that is related to social media and that are provided with the satellites, and it really helps us to find our way to our destination, and our journey becomes easy nowadays due to social media.
Yes, you said right, Misbah. If we are traveling and we are going to our destination, by sitting here only I can book the hotels and all where we want to rest.
Social media is having some uses like we are getting news immediately what happens in world, not only in our country, in our world we are having the newses what happen in the world. And social media is having so many lots of uses nowadays. Nowadays the students are totally depends on social media. They can immediately get information about their queries, their some topics they don't know how what is about it. Then they get information about the from the Googles within a seconds, within a minutes. And what about you, Rathod?
Yes, I am totally agree with all of you because in this period we all know that how social media is important for us. But when we see in last period, then we just see in the class that teacher said, imagine this is the plant and where is yes. But in this life, don't laugh. But in these days nowadays we can see the PowerPoint presentation and the as well as the online videos, because it is simple as well as it is easy to capture that yes, this is a tree, this is a process which is going on. So I think social media is very helpful and very important in our life. So don't spend lot of time on this social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, but it is useful for educational purpose like Google and
Yes, I agree with you because of the quarter of the peoples now in the world are on this Facebook and they communicate their information, but it is discontinued.
On social media, we can make more friends from abroad also by connecting them to the apps like Facebook and all. So it is very good that we are making the friends outside our country and we can share our information and a new invention can come.
Yeah, it is possible that we can share our information on the groups like Facebook, WhatsApp, but how people uses our information that we don't know. They can take our personal information and they can make its use badly used, and it will have a bad impact on us. So it depends on us what we should share on the social media and what impact should it have on our life.
Yes, you are totally right, Ms. Bam. As police uses social media or the apps for searching the information about the robbers, and the robbers use social media for hacking purpose. This is a good as well as a bad use of social media.
Okay, students, now you have a few minutes time. You have to conclude the topic now. Anyone? Yes.
By taking into consideration all the points, some are positive as well as some are negative, we can conclude that social media is made for our convenience. We should use it properly so that it cannot be misused by the other people, and it is more and more beneficial for us. it is said that we are what we eat, but according to me, I would like to say that we are what we listen, what we read, and what we think. Therefore, we should think positively and make it positive for our benefits and not for our distinction, not for our extinction. And as everyone told that social media has some benefits as well as some disadvantages. And the benefits, firstly I would like to tell benefits are those from admission exam till the result, and from our interviews till the job. Everywhere we have to use social media. In fact, in school also, in colleges also, we have to use social media because it is necessary to make PowerPoint presentation. Because of that, we can gain more and more information about particular topic. And next, I would like to say Sumaya to share some disadvantages of social media.
Disadvantages you are telling. There are lots of disadvantages, like our small children's. They are just continuously staring on their smartphones instead of reading the books and all. They don't play on the ground. They just play on the mobile phone. This is a very big disadvantage. They are living just in a mobile phone only. They are not going outside the room. This is a very big disadvantage of social media. Also, I would like to add some advantage also. If you want to get a job, we can apply for the job by posting our resume to the companies, and we can search on it. Also, I would add one advantage that apps like matrimony.com, we can find the marriage partners on it. It is also a good advantage of social media.